Happy Sunday, you guys. I'm gonna make a quick, easy dinner for today. I'm making my sausage casserole and we only need 4 ingredients. We're gonna use some Jimmy Dean sausage, 1 hot roll and 1 regular roll, cream of mushroom family size, 2 boxes of Uncle Ben's long grain wild rice, and to top it, mozzarella cheese. So let's get started. So guys, we're gonna go by the instructions on the back of the box of rice. So it says 2 1/4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of butter. And we're gonna combine all the contents that's in the box of rice and mix together. And I like to kind of just stir it a little bit, just so everything gets mixed pretty well. And we're gonna put a top on that, bring it to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, we're gonna turn it down and let it simmer and cook per the directions on the box. Now guys, I'm just gonna take the meat and put it in my pan and start browning the meat. I want to just break the meat a little so we can cook it evenly. Okay, the rice has come up to a boil. I'm going to give it a stir. And I'm going to turn it down on low and let this cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Reduce the heat on low and 25 minutes. This is pretty good, so now I'm going to just go ahead and drain the grease from the meat. So guys, this is the drained meat. Okay guys, what I like to do now is, while that's still cooking a little, just mix in my cream of mushroom with the rice. To mention that I tried this recipe with ground beef and ground turkey as well, and they turned out pretty good. I think I like the pork sausage just because it's already seasoned, therefore I don't have to put a lot of effort and flavor in the meat because it's already delicious. So keep that in mind if you want to use ground beef or ground turkey. So now what we're going to do is just mix the meat in with the rice and the cream of mushroom. You guys, this is like an easy, basically 4-part recipe. Really quick, really easy, and also tasty. Now we're gonna put this in our baking dish. What I'm going to do now is just smooth it around and grab my mozzarella cheese and put this across the top. And what I like to do now is bake this at like 400 degrees. And what we're really doing is making sure the cheese melt because everything else is cooked. So when it's baking, it just marries all the flavors together, makes it so delicious. And I usually bake this about 20 to 25 minutes and then you're done. Delicious.